Guys, welcome all of you. Today we have to see binary coded decimal. Before we start the lecture, do like, share and subscribe the channel for more and more fresh content. So see how to write binary using BCD code. So as we know, 8421 is the BCD code. So decimal 10, how can we write in the form of binary? So if we add this 8 and this 2, then we get decimal 10. Therefore put 8 as 1 and this 2 as 1, remaining 4 as 0 and 1 as 0. Therefore this is 1010 binary corresponding to decimal 10. This implies that 1010. Then decimal 8. Therefore if we put this 8 as 1, this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. Therefore we get the decimal 10. Therefore this implies to binary 1000. Then for decimal 5, we can put this 4 as 1 and this 1 as 1. Remainings are 0. Therefore we get the binary 0101 corresponding to decimal 5. Then next is 9. So next is 9. So how can we write decimal 9 as a binary? So if we add this 8 and this 9, this 1, therefore we can get the decimal 9. Therefore put this 8 as 1 and this 1 as 1 and remaining is 0. Therefore we can get the decimal 9. Therefore this corresponds to 1001. Then this 12, put this 8 as 1 and if we add this 4 into this 8, therefore we can get the 12. Therefore this 4 as 1 and this remaining are 0. Therefore this decimal 12 corresponds to binary 1100. Then how can we write? How to write decimal using BCD code? So as we know, 8421, this is the BCD code. So here see 0010 is our binary code, binary number. Therefore put simply here this 0010. Therefore which value got the 1, that is binary 1. Therefore this is 1. Therefore this 1 corresponds to this 2. That means 2 is our decimal number. Therefore, this binary number corresponds to 2, which is our decimal number. Then this 1000, therefore this 8 is 1, therefore our decimal number is 8 here. Then 1001, therefore 8 is 1 and 1 is 1, therefore add 8 and 1, there, that means 9 is our decimal number, corresponds to binary 1001. Then this is 1100, therefore add these two, 8 and 4, that means 12, therefore this is 12. Then this 0110, zero 110, therefore add these two, 4 and 2, add 4 plus 2, therefore we get 6, that means corresponding decimal is 6. Therefore this is the binary coded decimal. Thank you.